Assalamualaikum. Good morning, guys. Today I'll be showing you how you can make your own inner cap without sewing machine. Yes, so here I'll just fold my fabric into two. Yes, the folded part is 22 inches, 23 inches rather, and the height is 22 inches. So here I'll be folding it into two again, making it four folding. So I'll be having something around 11.5 inches and 22 inches high. So here you can actually, yours might actually be 19 inches, 20 inches, but because I'm going for a bigger cap, I want the cap to be big, so that's why I made it 22 inches high. So here I'll just be going in by 4 inches. I'm going in by 4 inches like so, and on the side I'll be going in by 6 inches on the side. Yeah, so from there I'll just make a cuff. I'm just freehanding my own cuff here. You can actually use cuff or anything, but I just want to make a cuff, not a big deal. Then I'll be cutting it because we don't actually want any kind of sharp end. So you just make a cuff alongside. Now I forget to say, for this type of fabric, it's preferable you're using a stretchy material. Yes, so with your right side facing each other, unfold. Then you start from the tip. You have your needle and thread. You can actually make use of twine, but here I'm using a normal sewing thread, but it's on four folding. So you start from the tip, then you start sewing alongside the cuff down to the beginning. So you start here from the tip and you just kind of sew it with not too close, around maybe I'm just freehanding it, but yours can be around 1.5 inches or 2 inches apart, or 1 inches apart. I'm making use of 1 inches, I think. Yeah, depending on how big you want your space to be. So you just do that till you reach the end. So when you reach the end of the cap, that's where sorry guys, so that's where you actually have to include your circumference of the head. So my client circumference of the head is actually 23. Sorry, it was 23, but because this fabric is kind of stretchy a little bit, so I make it 22. That is 11 inches on foot, so that it will not be loose on the head. So that's what you want to achieve. So you just go ahead and make sure your needle is at that 11 inches on the 11 inches without adding or removing. So if you are going for a very stretchy fabric, you can actually remove 1.4 one quarter from the actual measurement. So you just draw the thread and you have your fabric packed together, like it will be packed together. So you just want to make sure it's fully packed, not loosely packed. Yeah, so you want it to be fully packed. Then you knot the end of the thread. You make a knot at the end of the thread. So as you can see, it's already coming together like so you make a knot at the end of your thread to secure it. Then you just cut the rope. So you can see it's already together, and I'll just cut the rope here, and voila, the cap is ready. Yes, it's a little bit big because of what I'm going for. I'm going for a bigger cap. So you can see your cap is ready to use. Don't forget to like, comment and subscribe. The subscription is free, guys, so make sure you hit on the subscription button below and subscribe to my channel. I'll see you guys in my next video. Bye.